Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set one screen lock. The pin you can see I already set a 6-digit screen lock. So let me show you how to change the screen lock in this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down, tap on the option security and privacy, tap on lock screen. So here we need to enter our current screen lock. So to change this one, we can select password or pattern. Okay, so here I am going to select the option password. You can see one message, remember this password. If you forgot it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. Your password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Okay, so here I am going to enter the password. Tap on continue. Again, confirm the password. Tap on OK. You can see new password set. Tap on OK. Now lock the device. Try to unlock. You can see they are asking for the password instead of a digit password. Okay, so here I am going to enter the password here. Tap on done. You can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can change the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.